The finest school in Dade County. 2 girls had shaved heads and 3 boys had green hair. They're expressing themselves. So I expressed myself. I told them they had to leave. They were too ugly to look at. Now the parents are mad. A father came in a 3-piece.
2 sleeping cats, 1 cleaning. Cody and Hobby. Cody is gray, Hobby is beige.
You work at grief counseling. What do you expect, comedian?
You came to pay. Oh, so I can not afford you.
It's Miami in June. Only cats are wearing fur.
Are you going out?
No, she's going to sit here where it's 112 degrees and eat enchiladas.
I just need some cucumbers to put in my eye.
You'll have trouble seeing, Glenn.
It's very good. It reduces puffiness. You don't want outside? I don't know, honey. I don't need it on my time. Who's she going out with?
Again. Alice. Who is this Alice?
All Glenn said was he still has his own teeth and hair.
Oh, it is wonderful dating in Miami. All the single men under 80 are cocaine smugglers.
You know, I'd kill to be 20 again.
Oh, I would kill to be 40 again. I had the shock of my life today. I was in a teacher's lounge talking to a group of girls in their 20s. Oh, they look so pretty. At that age, you don't even have to be pretty, and you're pretty. Anyway, we were laughing and giggling, having a great time, and I completely forgot